Hello everyone, today we have a 2016 Audi A3, the Premium Plus S line, all-wheel drive. And that is running smooth as could be. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. See that it does have alloy wheels, sunroof, dual exhaust, tint all the way around. See, it does have brown leather interior. Super comfortable seats. And as you look down here, you'll see it has 39,500 miles on this vehicle. You've got paddle shifters, and then you also have trip computer, navigation, and stereo all on the steering wheel. Your push button start is down here by the shifter. There's your push button start, and then this also controls your infotainment. And so we'll go ahead and put it in reverse so you can see the backup camera. Okay. And then we'll jump over to navigation. There's your navigation and Bluetooth, radio.
For everything you do?
Sounds good. So it has AM, FM, and Sirius XM Bluetooth. Okay. And as we go back to the menu, you can also, there's your navigation, your radio, your Audi Connect, and your car. This is where you can change from dynamic to auto, to auto to comfort and individual modes. So right now we're in dynamic. Okay, and as we come over here, you got your glove compartment and your controls for your sunroof, map reading lights, and that about wraps it up for this Audi on the interior. Okay, and if it appears to be flickering, that's the refresh rate of the camera. It doesn't do that to the human eye. Okay, so we'll go ahead and step on out. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. I do not have additional information on that. It's still coming in because we just barely received this. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.